Here's my Eastern Traildigger 2000 bike review. Okay, first we're going to start out with the front. Okay, what I have is Hoffman bike grip mushroom. They're pretty comfortable. I have a lizard skin donut, 2 of them. Zinn's brake thing, I just took off the brakes. I'm too lazy to take that off right now. Hoffman handlebars, vivid Chrisman color. Some dance comp stickers. Eastern choker stem. GT. I don't know what year, but GT. Forks. Harrow front rim with dice and Eastern burnout tires for this. Kind of worn down. They work. They're traction-y, if you don't think. Red line, seat clamp, Hoffman seat. I don't know what that is. It's just El Cheapo. Eastern sprocket. And then just original DK crank system. Logo, black pedals, sharp. Just a regular KMC chain. In the back, Eastern 9-tooth cassette wheel, small, and some zip ties. It's actually loud. And yeah. So that's my Eastern Traildigger bike. There's my dog. Duke. Duke, sit. Shake. Good boy. Lay down. 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 Good boy. Yeah. Sit. Duke, sit. Shake. Good boy. Yep, this is my Eastern Traildigger. Comment, rate.